I'm Andrew, a welding instructor here at Manatee Technical College. So in welding, students will be here for 9 months during the day program, 18 months during the evening program. And while you're in here, you're going to learn the stick welding process, MIG welding process, flux core. And in the MIG welding process, we're going to do steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. And then we also learn TIG welding, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum also. When the students leave here, they will leave with a certification in the vertical and overhead shielded metal arc. Also, you will leave here with a vertical gas metal arc welding, also known as MIG certification. And you will also leave with a gas tungsten arc welding, also known as TIG certification, in stainless steel 1/8" plate, steel 3/8 plate, and also a chance to certify in pipe. The students will also learn hand plasma torch cutting, oxy-fuel hand torch cutting, use of a oxy-fuel track torch, and various different types of fab shop equipment, such as an iron worker, a horizontal bandsaw, vertical bandsaw, drill press, and the use of powered and hand tools.